just like Mom.
Oh, hi there! Welcome back to Like Mom. Well, first, let's wake up Emily. Emily, wake up, darling. Emily, it's time. Wake up.
Emily, good morning. You woke up finally. Let's go, freshen up.
You're right, girlfriend. We have to freshen up. We have to change into our day clothes. Girlfriend, can you pick something for Emily? Girlfriend, good choice. This is so cute, isn't it? And it has got a new belt.
Girlfriend, I love it.
Oh, girlfriend, you look so pretty.
Now I also want to wear a dress.
You want to wear a dress? Of course I have one for you. Close your eyes. Ta-da! Yay! Let's put this on.
Girlfriend, you have a cool dress too. It says love. It says love? Let me see. Let me see.
Yeah, that's right. It says love. Well, I think you guys are getting hungry. First, let's go brush our teeth. Let's go to the bathroom.
Oh, the dress is so pretty. It has furs too.
Okay, let's take the toothbrush. Emily, say ah. Good job, Emily. You're all freshened up. Girlfriend, let's go. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, Emily. Now let's make some baby food for you. Let's take this baby food packet. Let's open it and ow, it's so hard. Opened it. Let's pour this baby food into Emily's pink bottle.
And of course it needs some water.
Oh, well, yes, girlfriend, you're quite right. It needs water, so let's pour some water. Now let's mix it up.
Now I think you can give it to Emily. Yeah, give it to me now.
Well, not yet, Emily. We have to heat it up first.
Let's wait for 1 minute.
Looks like it's ready. Let's see. To check it, if it is too hot or too cold, we have to test it first. Let's put just a tiny bit of a drop. Well, it seems perfect. Now I could give it to Emily. Emily, here you go.
Yay! Thank you, thank you. Tasty.
And girlfriend, I did not forget about you. I got some dog food.
Yay! My favorite.
Well, now that you guys have had food, let's go for a nice walk. The weather is beautiful outside.
Okay, let's go put on my shoes. Girlfriend, come. Woof, woof. Which one? Which one do you want to wear, Emily? Which ones? I'll take the pink ones with the butterfly. These ones? Okay.
Let's wear them. Now we're ready to go for the walk. I will see you guys the next time. Bye!